Guys, so in today's video I'm going to be talking all about dark circles. I'm going to be talking about how dark circles are formed, what you can do to reduce the appearance of dark circles, and how you can take care of your under eye region. So I'm going to be very honest and very realistic here because I don't want to give you overnight solutions to treat dark circles. I don't want to talk about DIYs or show you products that are going to help to fade away all of those dark circles and remove all of those dark circles in just one day, 1 week or 1 month. No, that doesn't happen. The formation of dark circles doesn't happen overnight, so removing them is also not an overnight process. It's a slow and gradual process that you need to keep following consistently. So when dark circles start appearing on your under eye region, you won't even notice until a couple of months. After a couple of months or after a couple of years, you'll see some dark circles under your eyes. That is how they are formed, and like after a couple of years you'll probably see like prominent dark circles. So while dealing with dark circles, while fading them away, it also takes a couple of months and sometimes also a couple of years, depending upon how prominent your dark circles are. So I've just started to get dark circles now. I never had dark circles all these years, and as you can see, my eyes are sort of sinking in now and the dark circles have started to appear. So this is the time when I really need to start taking care of my under eye region, otherwise the situation is going to get worse. So there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind while dealing with dark circles. The number one thing is to get enough sleep. No matter how many products you apply, no matter what you do for your under eye region, if you're not getting enough sleep, dark circles kahin nahi ja rahe, they are going to stay. So you need to get at least 8 hours of sleep every single day, and by 8 hours I mean continuous 8 hours. I don't mean कि 6 घंटे रात को सो लिया और 2 घंटे दोपहर को सो लिया, not like that. You need to get 8 hours of continuous sleep at night. The second thing that you need to keep in mind is to reduce your screen time. Now I know that lockdown में people sort of attend online classes, online lectures, and everything has become online and the screen time has increased, but try to reduce it a little bit. Try to do other things when it comes to enjoyment, when it comes to relaxation. Instead of watching Netflix or instead of scrolling through Instagram, try to do other things. And if reducing your screen time is not possible for you, just like me, because like I'm a YouTuber, I am facing the screen right now, my camera screen. I'll be editing on my laptop later on, I'll be uploading a video from my phone later on. So I have a lot of screen time and I cannot really reduce it. So that's why I've gotten these blue light filter glasses. I got them from Lenskart. You can get them from anywhere. They're also available on Amazon and Flipkart, just in case if you want them. So these blue light filter glasses help to filter the blue light that comes out of electronic devices. So be it a mobile screen, a laptop screen, a TV screen, or even the tube lights in your house, even the ring light that I'm facing currently, any sort of light, any sort of screen emits blue light, which is not just harmful for your skin but also for your eyes. It sort of damages your eyes and it gives a lot of stress to your eyes, which in turn causes a lot of dark circles. So when you wear blue light filter glasses like these, they help to filter out 70 to 90% of blue light, depending upon the quality of your glasses, and that just causes less stress on your eyes and eventually causes lesser dark circles. So I always make it a point to wear these glasses, especially while editing and uploading videos and while watching Netflix movies. The third thing that you want to start doing if you start to see dark circles under your eyes is to use an under eye cream. Now you want to be very selective while using under eye creams. I have tried a lot of under eye creams in the market and I did not like most of them, quite honestly, because some of them were like so thick. They would just sit on my under eye region. I didn't feel like they were penetrating inside, they were getting absorbed by my skin or anything. They would just sit there and then they would cause acne over here, like in between the cheek and the under eye region. That's where they would cause acne, because they would be so thick and they would clog my pores. And then again, I've tried like very watery, liquidy consistency wale under eye creams, which again don't work because they are so thin. They literally do nothing for the under eye region. So you want a good consistency, a medium consistency that's neither too thick nor too thin. And the one that I really like, consistency wise, ingredient wise, and basically like all things about it, is this Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circles Eye Cream. Now this has the perfect consistency. It's neither too thick nor too thin. It's just the right consistency and it gets absorbed by the skin really fast. All you need to do is just massage your under eye region with this for just 30 seconds and it's gonna be absorbed. Moreover, I really like the selection of ingredients that they have used in this. This contains cucumber, daisy flower extract, hawkweed extract, and peptides, and I'm going to be telling you the benefits of all of these ingredients. So firstly, cucumber helps to soothe the under eye region. It helps to calm down the under eye region. So when your eyes are very stressed out, when they've faced so much of screen time, when they've been through the entire day so tired, cucumber helps to soothe that under eye area. Next up, daisy flower extract helps to reduce melanin deposit on your under eye region. So if you have very dark circles, it's because there's a lot of melanin deposit on your under eyes, and daisy flower extract helps to target that. It helps to reduce the melanin from there, and it helps to reduce the darkness of the dark circles. So all of the darkness is faded and your dark circles look so much better. This also contains peptides, which helps to increase collagen production. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So if you have aging eyes and if you have fine lines along with dark circles, then peptides are going to help to deal with those. And this contains hawkweed extract, which helps to condition the skin on your under eye region, thereby moisturizing it, and it also helps to lighten and rejuvenate your under eye region. So the appearance of dark circles is going to be reduced with the help of all of these ingredients combined. I really like the combination of ingredients that they have used in here. So if you're 20 years or above, you really need to start using under eye creams if you're not using them already. I started using them at the age of 25 and my skin has been thanking me for it, because even though I am almost 28, I don't really have very prominent dark circles yet, because I take care of my under eye region. So you really need to incorporate a good under eye cream in your daily skincare regime. You can use it in the daytime as well as in the night time, but I only like to use this during the night time. And the best part about this is that it's free from harmful toxins, harmful chemicals. It's got a lot of natural plant-based ingredients in there, and it's dermat tested. You can shop for this under eye cream on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, or you can purchase it from Mamaearth's website or their app, where if you use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, you'll get a 20% off. I highly recommend you shop it from their website, because every time that you place an order on the website, they link your order to a treat that they planned. Or you can shop from their app, where you'll get early access to discounts and sales, which means that you'll be saving on more money. Now the fourth thing that you want to keep in mind if you have dark circles, or even if you don't, you really need to keep this in mind. If you scrub your skin, if you use physical exfoliators, or even if you use chemical exfoliators, or even if you use peel off masks, so any of these things, please do not apply anywhere on or around your under eye region. Apply it dur se, apply it just on your cheek, very dur from your under eyes, because the skin on your under eye region is very thin. It's thinner than the rest of your skin, rest of your face, and when you scrub your under eye region, or when you apply a chemical peel and you exfoliate your under eye region, or if you peel off your under eye region, it just damages that area even more, makes it more prone to dark circles, makes it more prone to damage, and it might also result in sunken eyes. So make sure you don't use physical exfoliators, chemical exfoliators, peels, packs, anything on your under eye region. All you want to do is just moisturize and nourish your under eye region. You don't want to use anything over there except for a face wash. Face wash you can use once or twice a day, but apart from that, you don't want to use anything rather than an under eye cream. The fifth point that you want to keep in mind if you have dark circles, especially if you wear makeup, is that if your under eye region creases a lot, or if the concealer or the foundation enhances the fine lines or the dryness under your on your under eye region a lot, then what you can do is apply an under eye cream while you're applying your moisturizer. So moisturizer you want to apply on your face, and for your under eye region, apply a separate under eye cream, and then go in with your base makeup, with your foundation, concealer, etc., and set it really well with a loose powder or compact powder. That way the creasing will be less, the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles will be reduced, and your under eye region is going to look much more healthy, and you're going to look much more younger in general. So those are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind if you have dark circles and if you want to deal with your dark circles, if you want to reduce them and take care of your under eye region. Everything goes hand in hand. One thing alone is not going to help with your dark circles. You need to get proper sleep. You need to ensure that your eyes are not stressed out a lot because of a lot of screen time. Try investing in a good pair of blue light glasses. Include an under eye cream in your skincare regime right away, because it's only going to help you in the future, in the long run. It's only going to make you look younger. And you don't want to use a lot of products on your under eye region. Just a face wash and an under eye cream is good enough. So that's the only skincare that you want to do on your under eye region. If you incorporate these 4 steps in your daily regime, if you take care of your under eye region by following these steps, I am definitely sure you're going to get rid of your dark circles. The dark circles are going to start fading away in a couple of months itself, but you have to be really consistent. It's a long process, not an overnight process. It's not going to happen overnight or just in a couple of weeks. It takes a few months to happen. So be consistent, be regular, and yeah, just believe in the process and it's going to happen for sure. So yeah, that was my video on dark circles and how you can take care of your dark circles and your under eye region. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it was, then please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends who have the problem of dark circles, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Also follow me on Instagram, where I upload a lot of makeup and skincare videos. You definitely want to see those videos, so follow me there. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.